everyone, so Luna and I are back. We are going to open and show you all of the toys that she got in her box monthly. So let's start off with this Tamagotchi and Friends. So she got this Tamagotchi and Friends, Amia, Mochi, Michi, Sewing Class. And these are the ones you can get from this in the back here. So let's get started. Okay, where are my scissors? I don't suggest you do what I'm doing. This is actually very dangerous. What I just did. Okay, let's rip this open and let's see what we have inside. So we have this. So these are just a friendship map. And these are the different things you can get. Okay. So let's see what we got. Okay, I'll just throw it in that box. Okay, so we got some tiny pieces that my cat's gonna walk off with. But we got Mochi. And I believe this is a he, or no, I think this is a she. I'm gonna lean on my knee. So this is a she, and it's actually it's a pretty heavy figure, decent in paint. Then it comes with this teddy bear, this sewing machine, and the cat nose does not come in it, it just happens to be there because he's nosy, and then this rabbit. So now we're going to open up this Buzzies. I may have heard this from PS Toy Reviews, or PS Toy Reviews, but I haven't been watching them lately, so they may have done a video on these Buzzies, and these are the starter kit. So we get this bracelet, which will probably end up going, yeah, it could fit on Luna's wrist pretty good. Mine, I doubt it. Oh, there we go. See, so it fits there. So if you have a small wrist and you're able to slide things on your hands. So this thing doesn't open, so I'm guessing you're supposed to slide the Buzzies on. So here is the first Buzzie, and I believe I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I think you're supposed to just slide the Buzzie on. But he is on the inside, huh? Trying to get him on the opposing side. Hold on. There we go. So that's how you're supposed to put your Buzzies on. Then we got this cat Buzzie, or vampire Buzzie. This other ghoul. This kind of looks like a Pikachu or some type of Pokemon one. And then we have our secret one. part looks like this, and this is the starter kit, like I said. So I'm gonna put these on later. Next one we're gonna open up is this one. This is the Shopkins Season 5. You get one Shopkin and a Petkin backpack. Let's open this up and let's see. So we got a checklist here. I don't know if this checklist is a... Yeah, this is a Season 5 checklist that comes in there. Then you get your Petkin backpack. And this is just standard Petkin backpack. And you got your Shopkin inside. So let's see what Shopkin we got. Where's my scissors? Let's see what Shopkin we got. Okay, we got the soccer ball, which I know we have this already. But we got that one. Let's open up this Buzzies. This is the Buzzies 2-pack. I've actually never opened Buzzies. That's a good thing about the Toy Box Monthly, is that if there's things that you want to buy or you're not sure, like normally I wouldn't go out and buy Buzzies, but you'll get it in the monthly box so you can kind of test it out, see how you like it. And you can choose, I think you can choose between girl or boy. I chose girl, obviously. So, I'm gonna break into this. How do I break into this? That's how you break into that. Okay, so it comes in this case, which is actually kind of cool. Because that means I can kind of store them in there. And then this is the checklist. So I'm going to try to show you the checklist with Luna on my lap. So we got ultra rare, neon, limited edition, and metallic. You get, it's 140 plus, collect them all. Common, rare, ultra rare, limited. Blue is boy, pink is girl. So you got the 2 sweet. You got the 2 wild, which is in the green. 2 cool. 2 adventurous. 2 noisy. 2 cheeky. And then 2 precious, and those are the limited ones down there. So this is good. I'm gonna keep onto that. This is how you can build your shadow box, and then this is the thing I got inside my shadow box. So I'm just gonna figure out how to slide this back in, and there you go. So you can display Buzzies in your shadow box. So you come with 2 Buzzies, and everything's pouring out. So let's get this open. So the first one I got is a little elephant. So the elephant's name is, like on the, so yes, it's Max. Max is a common, and Max is a boy. So that is Max. These are actually really cute, well painted. And the whole idea is these are trying to match up the baby and the animal, so you have a pair. So you're trying to find his friend. Oh, this is cute. So maybe I'll be getting more of these. You never know. This is another boy. This is Speedy, and this is a common. and Speedy's part of the Too Cool, and Max is part of the Too Wild. Wait, no, he's not. He's part of Too Sweet. So I believe what you do with these is that this pops in just like, so you just get his leg and you just pop him in. Don't have the best hand-eye coordination, so, and then you just get Max and you just put him in there. So when you got a double, or when you got a pair, you just put the pair together. So that's how it looks like, and that's probably most likely how I'm going to display it. This video is quite long, but here is the next one, the Animal Jams. This is another one I haven't opened before, only because I just wasn't interested in opening it. No questions. Can I just like smack it and it'll open somewhere? How do I open this? Oh, that's out. I just had it. There we go. Okay, so it looks like it comes with some accessories. These are actually a lot bigger than what I thought it was gonna be. I just have to be. Oh, this is the coupon code. Yeah, I gotta be careful with these tiny pieces. Tiny pieces and cats don't mix, by the way. Letting all of you guys know that if you have cats, tiny pieces and cats just do not mix. Put this in there. There's a kitty with wings. Okay, so first I'm just gonna show you the list. So there's 96 to adopt. You have rare, diamond, gem, and ultra rare. So here are all of them. Here's the front, and then here's the back. It's a very long list. So the first one we got was we got Cheetah. 1 out of 45. And this one I believe is just a common. So that's what we got. And then she came with these different accessories that don't stay in this photo. So I'm actually just gonna keep this in the Animal Jam box so I don't lose the figure. Like I said, I have cats. Last thing I'm gonna open up is this season 6 Chef's Club Shopkins, which I absolutely love opening these. So I'm just gonna open this up. Luna's been such a big girl and helping me out. Okay. So I don't have my checklist out, so I'm gonna have to use this checklist for now to tell you what they are. Next, I don't have my check. Oh, it comes with a little cookie book. So it comes with a little cooking book. And so this one says Natalie Noodles. So I had to add this to my box. Here, because my other one didn't come with that. Okay. So the first one we got, where's the tear tag? Where is the tear? I don't think these have tear tags. This one doesn't have tear tabs. And these plastics are really thin. Okay, so we got... Okay, this one is a new one. I don't have this one. I also... What are you? I know this one's a new one. Mainly because I don't have it. This is olive oil. And she is a rare. Whoops, you can't even see her. Olive oil, and she is a rare. I don't believe I have her. The next one is. Okay, this one, I believe I have this one. This is Rennie Honey, and this is a common. So, thank you for watching. Hopefully, you enjoyed everything. Please like, subscribe, thumbs up. Please subscribe because we're trying to get to 100 viewers by the New Year's. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon. Bye.